Alright, so this is a weird load. Anybody guess what these are? Any guesses? See the front of them? Anybody have a guess? You see how long they are. They're actually longer than my trailer. Anybody know what they are? A wise man once told me, once you know how to make money and work hard, you'll never be poor. Well, this is how I make my money. Well, everyone, and welcome to my channel. So as I showed in the intro, anybody know what these things are? Anybody? Anybody? They're aluminum pontoons from pontoon boats. So a guy called me to pick these up, and so all the stuff came from one place. So I want to show you. All right, so he had ripped apart years ago an old pontoon boat, but nobody had a trailer, he said, that was long enough. So he had those. Let me see if I can get up here without falling. Hold on. So these are all aluminum pontoons. There's no foam or nothing in them. He also had these old wheels. An old loader bucket. See the loader bucket there? It's actually open side down. He pushed it in from the back. That's going to be a pain in the ass to get out of there. He had this dishwasher. This is one of these sliding toolboxes. I don't know. Probably could be resold, but oh look, there comes Xander right on time. It's nice when you got guys that show up to help you. But this is the toolbox, and one of them sliding toolboxes, guys. Sorry, I'm kind of crooked, but I'm not even separating. I mean, I'm separating this stuff. So what I'm going to do is when I go to scrapyard, I'm going to scale and get rid of this stuff. Yeah, they know that's probably got some stainless on it. I see it's got an electric motor. This thing could probably be resold, but you know what? I just want to get rid of it. I got to get rid of that stuff today. I got to do 2 trips. But there was some aluminum thing here. This the bottom piece for the pontoon boat. So we're going to be getting ready to go to scrapyard. This is all strapped down. This stuff's not really going anywhere as long as the pontoons don't move. But we're going to... Whoa! We're going to be making a trip here. Oh, let me get off of here. But yeah, one call, one guy had them. So we're going to see how much these pontoons weigh. These, usually they're about 250, 300 pounds, I think, for the light ones. I've junked these before, and these ones are lighter weight. I don't know exactly what the deal is. They just feel lighter and everything, and I don't know. It's weird. I thought they would have been heavier. Now, what I should have did in hindsight is I should have took my little trailer over and had them put these things on the little trailer, and then I could throw all my aluminum in the middle. But I messed that up, and it's been bothering me all night. And I was thinking maybe I should just take these things off. But, I mean, I have to go to Scranton today, and there's a certain presidential candidate that's going to be there in Scranton. So I don't know exactly how crazy it's going to be up there. But you heard about that, huh? Yeah. So... all right, guys, so we're going to make a trip to the scrapyard. I wonder what we can get paid now. I really want to know what these things weigh, so this is what this video is going to be today. Rotors are building up, a little bit of short steel. You could throw this in the back of the truck. Throw this dishwasher in the back of the truck, because that goddamn water heater keeps slamming back and forth. And a couple other little goodies we picked up yesterday. Little air conditioner, mini split unit. And, yeah, perfect. And a couple other little things. We got the 2 batteries and some pumps and things. But, yeah, I wanted to get rid of this aluminum. I got more to pick up. But I don't know if we're going to do 2 trips today if the traffic's really bad up there. We're just going to have to see, guys. All right, we're going to hook this up, and next thing you'll be seeing, we'll be pulling on the scale here, guys, and show you what we actually make today on this load. All right, guys, let me pick the whole dumpster up. Look at that. Jeez, dude, that's freaking awesome. We're here nice and early, guys. We weigh 11,300. So we're going to be dumping the tin off first and then the aluminum, guys. Dude, look at that. That's freaking sick. I can't believe he's going to lose it, bro. Look at that. I'll be surprised if that makes it there. Scraping my ass. Oh, dude, he made it. All right, guys, so we unloaded that couple things. They were heavy for only a couple pieces. What we weigh on 11,000. So we had like 1,800 pounds or so on what, 4 pieces? And those 2 rims, so 4 pieces. A couple a water heater and something in the back of the truck, dishwasher. Not bad. Now we gotta get the aluminum off. All right, guys, pontoons are unloaded. Drag 'em ass. What did we weigh on? I don't remember, Xander. Was it 98? So weighed on at 98, guys. 90 what?
96.
96? Something like that? And like 600, 300 pounds a piece. I was semi-right. I didn't think they were that heavy. Some of the old, those are older ones. A lot of the newer ones, guys, are a lot heavier than that. But, green light. Let's go get paid, and then we're going to get that other aluminum and run another load in, guys. Gonna be a busy day. Gonna be running in some loads today, and also got some other good news I'll hit you guys off with soon. All right, guys, first load of the day. We had 1,660 pounds of tin. That was that dishwasher, that bucket, those 2 rims, a metal door, and that toolbox. That was 125 bucks, and then he gave me 60 cents a pound for the aluminum. There was that couple little pieces and those 2 pontoons. So altogether it was $497. But wait, there's more, guys. The video ain't over. We're gonna go back and load the little trailer up with aluminum. We're gonna make a second trip, see what we could do today, guys. So stick with the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see what we make on the aluminum. We'll have a good day today. All right, guys, we made it back to the house. You see, we're loading up our aluminum. Now, most of our aluminum, guys, Xander's loading and grabbing. Most of the aluminum you're gonna get, you know, is gonna be maybe aluminum cans, some cast aluminum. You might get a little bit of extruded aluminum. But, you know, for the most part, like I have a guy that does gutters, so I get a lot of gutters. This is either, they call it sheet aluminum, clip aluminum, you know, stuff like that. And you see it's all clean, new end pieces and things of that nature. But, you know, like every now and again you might see like this one's got a screw in it. Not a big deal when you're bringing in a massive trailer load like this. But, I mean, some places are very picky, and that's why I don't go to a place that's picky, because I don't want to have to clean and stuff. You know, and you got your pots and pans. Some places play different grades for pots and pans. Cast, like this is cast aluminum. One of these old barbecue grill tops. You can see it's cast. But that's considered cast aluminum. You know, these car rads, you know, if you cut the ends off the plastic or bend the tabs off, you could do that too. Sometimes they buy them for a different price. And you also have extruded. I don't really have many pieces of extruded aluminum. Like these will go as just clean aluminum. But as you see in my pile, most of it is just aluminum from gutters and stuff. Might be some pots and pans and things and other random stuff. But a couple ladders. Now, ladders will go as extruded aluminum, but I only have 1 or 2 pieces of ladder. I'm not going to separate it and everything, guys. You know, we're just going to load this up to hurry up and quick make some more money and get rid of this shit. But you see Xander working. You're the man, Xander. But yeah, most of it is just going to be that I get is gutters and stuff. A lot of times, like, these are the coils out of the the train units, the air conditioning coils, they're aluminum. So, and that came out of a dehumidifier, one of them cheap crummy ones. That's out of a, that's a car one, AC compressor out of a condenser out of a car. So yeah, the only thing that sucks is aluminum is a lot lighter. So it's kind of a pain in the butt because it doesn't weigh anything. So you really got to have a massive load. But I mean, I don't mind aluminum. It's just so disorganized and it gets disheveled and things. Like we had those aluminum pontoons today. They weren't bad because we could just throw them off with the other stuff. But yeah, there's different grades of aluminum. My yard, personally, they give me one flat price for everything. And when I pull up to the bin, I'll separate what's cast and what's not, you know, clip aluminum or the gutters. They have a separate pile. They have a separate pile for that aluminum. So I'll back into that now because I have more, you know, gutters than anything. So that's what I'll do. But I think they gave me, what did he give me, 60 cents, 62 cents today? I think he gave me 60 cents. He said he'll probably give me 62 because it's the gutters. I told him I said it was mostly gutters and stuff. So I'm hoping to get 62 cents a pound on this. And leave in the comment section below what are you guys getting for aluminum? Do your yards make you separate every piece? You know, start some conversations, guys. You know, do they bitch about any little screw or bolt or a little piece of caulking on things? You know, I mean, like I had places that wouldn't even want this tape on here. Like I can't deal with that anymore. I just want to go. I don't care if they pay me 10 cents less. I'd rather pay that than clean all this stuff. But yeah, start a conversation in the comment section below, guys, and tell me what you're getting paid. What are you getting paid? Where you're from? You know, if you have to clean every little piece, like it's just a massive pain in the butt to have to clean every piece. But some yards are pickier than others. But all right, guys, we're gonna load this up. You're gonna be seeing us pulling on the scale back at Weissman's again for a second trip. We got back, it was 10 o'clock, guys. Let me dump a little early, which was awesome. But well, we still have a lot more. This trailer will be full. I'll show you what this is, how much this load comes out to be, and everything, and what we get paid, and we'll see what we make for the day, guys. I'm pretty sure we'll be done by 1:30, and you know, I probably make close to $400 for the day, so, or $800 for the day. So, all right, guys, let's see what we got. All right, guys, we made it to Weissman's. Pulling on the scale with the aluminum. So we're at 85, but I took on some fuel. So we are, I don't know what we are. I don't know, guys. Oh, I have a different trailer too. I have the light trailer on the little one. But we're gonna unload this stuff. It's getting kind of crazy over here. All the cops are all stationed up on the exit ramps and everything for Trump coming to Scranton here. So I want to get out of here as soon as possible. It's like 12:30, so I want to get rolling. But hopefully we can make some money again. It would be nice to be around the $800 mark today. Look at that truck. This guy picks up everything with that loader, bro. It's so funny. That's an old Chevy. Probably still runs. I bet you the frame's rotted or something. Oh, we just clipped that. An old Chevy. I love the scrapyard, guys. Alright, guys. We unloaded all that aluminum. And yet again, I forget what we weighed in at. I just wasn't paying attention. 77.80. 11 or 1,200 pounds of aluminum. That's awesome. It's gonna be a good day today, guys. Gonna be a good day. I'll park over here and move up out of the way. Alright, guys, let's see what we made for today. Let's go pull this ticket. Alright, guys, so this was the ticket from this morning. We made $497. And this was our aluminum ticket today. We had 780 pounds of aluminum. They gave me 60 cents, same price I got this morning, and it was $468. So I made, oh Christ, $1,000. No, yeah, just under $1,000. I made $965 for today. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. So, not bad at all, guys. For a day's worth of work, not even a day's worth of work, but you know, we just had to bring in 2 loads. I wanted to get as much stuff as I can. Tomorrow I got other things to do and everything. It's never a dull moment. So, yeah, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next video. I'm out here hustling all the time. I've been putting out less and less videos, but the one good thing I wanted to say, I said there was something good. Closing on my mother-in-law's house is tomorrow, so I can taste the end. So, you know, I don't have to deal with that no more. Once they sign all the papers and everything, it's gone, and I don't have to deal with it no more. So my hard work paid off. We got more than we wanted to get for it, and there was no major hiccups at sale. So, all right, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. See what we can get done.